Logic circuits. Classification of logic circuits. There are two types of logic circuits. 1. Combinational. 2. Sequential. Logic circuit whose output is completely dependent on the combination of inputs are called combinational logic circuits. Logic circuits whose output is dependent on the combination of inputs and past state of the circuit is called sequential logic circuits. Steps to design combinational logic circuits. Understand problem statement and draw the block diagram with input and output lines. Define truth table based on functionality. Get the simplified expression. Implement the logic circuit. Example: design a switching circuit has two control inputs, C1 and C2, two data inputs, X1, X2, and one output Z. The circuit performs one of the logic operations on the two data input. The function performed depends on the control inputs as shown below. So we have a combinational logic circuit with 4 inputs and 1 output. From the example question, we can define truth table as for C1 and C2 as 0, OR operation should be performed. On 0 and 1, it should perform XOR, and for 1 and 0, had to perform AND operation, and for 1 and 1, equality operation to be performed. This is how we can realize a complete truth table for 4 inputs. From the truth table, we can write the min terms as 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 11, 12, 15. This is the truth table for 2 inputs. Now, we will perform the minimization using K-map to simplify or minimize our expression. Now, draw the K-map and fill up the values with the min terms we got, and do the groupings. First, we need to find the possibility of grouping a quad. If there is no quad, then have to find the pair, and do the grouping as shown. After grouping, write the expression from the K-map to realize logic circuit with that expression later. This is how we can implement the logic circuit with the help of minimized expression. Now, let's talk about delays in combinational circuits. Contamination delay. The amount of time needed for a change in a logic input to result in an initial change at the output. Propagation delay. The amount of time needed for a change in a logic input to result in a permanent change at an output. This how the contamination delay and propagation delay in waveform can be seen.